Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Ecosport trunk. First, grab your key fob. Look for the button with the trunk icon, usually a small car with the trunk open. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until you hear the latch disengage. Then, simply lift the trunk door upwards to access the cargo area. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. If your key fob isn't handy, you can also open the trunk from inside the vehicle. Locate the interior trunk release lever, typically found on the driver's side, often near the floor or the door sill. Pull this lever firmly to release the latch. In case of a power failure, there's usually a manual override inside the trunk itself, often a small glow-in-the-dark lever, for emergency access. Sometimes the trunk might not open as expected. First, ensure your EcoSport is fully unlocked before attempting to open the trunk. Check for any items or debris that might be physically blocking the latch mechanism or the trunk's path. Also, a weak key fob battery can prevent the remote release from working, so consider replacing it if you suspect an issue. For long-term smooth operation, consider periodically lubricating the trunk's hinges and latch mechanism with a suitable automotive grease. This helps prevent stiffness and wear. You can also adjust the rubber stoppers around the trunk opening to ensure a snug fit and prevent rattles. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your EcoSports trunk in top shape ensures easy access every time you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.